Hello friends, so in this video I'll be sharing with you how you can make $50 in the next 10 to 20 minutes by simply answering questions about softwares or products or services that you already use. Now this is my favorite method when it comes to making money online because it's beginner friendly and everyone around the world can actually implement this method without any worries. So the website we'll be using is none other than g2.com. Now not only am I going to show you how you can make $50 in the next 10 to 20 minutes, but I'm also going to share with you exactly which softwares you can actually answer questions about or services you can actually write reviews about and actually make that $50. So when you take a look right now on the screen, this is just one of the products that I'm going to share with you that you can actually get paid for by simply answering questions about this particular product. Now if you check the type of questions that you'll be answering, you can see these are just simple questions like what do you like best about this product, what do you dislike about this product, and all you have to do is write maybe sentences of about 40 characters and that's enough to actually get paid. And it is as simple as that, and you don't need to overcomplicate things. Now I've seen a lot of people who try to exaggerate things. Now I'm telling you, making money online can be a difficult thing, but this method is very easy and beginner friendly. So the first thing you want to do is come over to g2.com. Now I'm not affiliated to G2. In fact, they don't even have an affiliate program that I can join. So when you come to g2.com, you're going to click on join or sign in. Now when you click join or sign in, what I encourage you to do is to actually create an account using LinkedIn. Don't sign up with Google, don't sign up with your email. The reason being is that you want to get invites frequently for paid reviews or to answer questions about products that you actually get paid for. So do it using LinkedIn if you want to be having a lot of invites. So when you sign up with the LinkedIn, the next thing you're going to do is to review or answer questions about the first product that I'm going to share with you. So here is another link that I actually got from G2 and is just waiting for you to actually sign up. So now you can see this review, this link that you're going to click will pay you $10. Now this is just a 5-minute review that you're going to write. Now when you write that 5-minute review, I'm going to give you another one. Remember, I've already shown you that there's another one which will pay you $25. So we'll begin with this one which will pay you $10. So you can see this one will pay you $10, and all you have to do is to review any marketing software in the link below. So there's a list that G2 has given. So when you click that list, it will bring you to this page. So what you want to do, you have to be logged in, of course. Make sure you're logged in, and you will see it will show you to choose a review. Make sure it is showing this icon, the $10 icon. When you click the link will be pinned in the comment section or in the description for you to just click on it. Now when you do that, what you're going to do here on the list, you want to scroll through and just have a look of the softwares or products or services that are available, and you want to find something you're familiar with. Now if you don't find anything you're familiar with but still want to make money, don't worry, I have you covered. Now what I myself normally do, if I don't find anything that I actually use from this product, what I would do is maybe just look at something that has a name that probably I would use. So for example, if you look at this one, Video Touch. Now personally I do create some videos, and seeing the name Video Touch, probably I would think I can use something like this if it is helping me create videos. So what I normally do is to do a Google search, and when I do a Google search, I'll find that product, and what I'll do, I'll go to the home page of that product. Now once I'm on the home page for that website, all I have to do is to ensure or find out if they actually have a free plan and get information about that particular product. Now you can see right here that here they are saying sign up for free. This is very good, and I encourage you can actually do the same. You can actually sign up for Video Touch and do exactly what I'm going to do in this video. So if you see sign up for free and it's actually on this list, you'd want to actually proceed to sign up for that product. Then the next thing you want to do is find out some benefits about that particular product, or just find out what it does. And also you want to make sure when you're logged in, have a look around, test it out just to see exactly what you can do with this website. So now for example, this one, you can see it helps you collect video testimonials and publish them to a website and the like. So the next thing you would want to do when you discover that the website is actually offering a service that you can actually you yourself use, and it's easy for you to actually try out and has a free sign up option, what you want to do is to go to Google and simply search for the product and add the word reviews to it. And what you want to do is check through and find reviews on websites similar to G2 or Capterra. You can also use G2 itself to actually see the review. So on G2 you can see there's only one review that is available. What I like to do is go maybe to Capterra. Capterra is an alternative to G2, and you want to read the reviews that are available about that particular product. Okay, so you can see unfortunately we don't have any reviews available on Capterra about this product. So unfortunately this is not a good example for me to actually show you what I normally do. But let's say if there were reviews about this product, I'll just read through some of the reviews to get an idea what people are saying about the product, so that I myself, when I'm writing my review or answering the questions, I answer as someone who has actually used that product for a long time. Nonetheless, I'm going to use a product that we are going to review also, and this is one of the products you are going to review. Now the product is known as ProfilePicture.ai. Now this is the website for this particular software. Now unfortunately for ProfilePicture.ai, they actually don't really have a free version. You can actually sign up for free, but they actually, in order for you to actually use their services, their premium services, you actually have to pay up. So in order for us to make that $15 reviewing ProfilePicture.ai, we're going to rely mostly on the reviews from other websites. So I went ahead already and did some research for ProfilePicture.ai reviews. So one of the websites I normally use for check some reviews is Trustpilot. So you can see on Trustpilot the review for profile picture are about 5, and you can see most of the reviews are very poor and people are having complaints against profile picture. So all you have to do is go through. So I've already read through some of these reviews that are available about ProfilePicture.ai on Trustpilot, and also I did another one and I checked on Product Hunt, and you can see here they have 9 reviews, and all I have to do, you can see here they're saying basically the service seems serious, the quality seems, and the likes. Okay, there is a lot of reviews, so I just need to go through, see what people are complaining about and what people are happy about and the likes, because to be honest, I haven't used this service for a long time. However, since I've signed up and I'm logged into the product, I need to write a review as someone who has actually used it. So once, let's say, I'm comfortable with the information I have about ProfilePicture.ai, which also you can review and get these $15, I'll leave a link to this link where you can start reviewing profile picture. And you can see here, so here they're asking us, the first question is, how likely is it that you would recommend ProfilePicture.ai to a friend or colleague? So personally, I would give it maybe a 7. Let's just give it a 7, because honestly they don't have a free version, and I wouldn't want my friend to just jump in on a product and start using it without actually trying it out. If they have a bad experience, they'll blame me for recommending something which wasn't good. So maybe I'll give them a 7 and they like. Then here the title for the review, what I normally do, I just take the name of the product and just add the word review at the end. And here they're asking, what do you like best about ProfilePicture.ai? Now, like I've already mentioned, I've already gone through the reviews and I've seen what people are happy about this product and what people are complaining about. So in my case, I'm going to say I love that you'd actually get yourself in a suit or a place you never visited and create a picture for yourself using the AI. You can choose between the realistic and cartoon style. So you can see I'm actually mentioning the benefits that you can actually use the software for. Now, if you are going to review, make sure you write something similar or something different, but choose a specific benefit when you are answering, so that they actually know or think that you actually use that product. Then what do you dislike about ProfilePicture.ai? Personally, I dislike that they don't have a trial. Okay, so you can see what I wrote is you don't get a free trial. Also, when you upload your image, you have to use sliders to choose the position, which makes it difficult to position the image how you want. Now, that's something that I myself, when I checked out ProfilePicture.ai, found that is something I don't like. Then here, a few things to consider in your review. They're asking about the ease of use, ease of interpretation. They're just mentioning something that you would actually mention if you are reviewing profile picture. So if I wanted, I could have mentioned the customer service being bad. And like here, when you check on Trustpilot, most of the people were complaining about the customer service. Now, I'll leave that to you. For those of you who would actually review ProfilePicture.ai, you can talk about the customer service as something you don't like, as they take very long to respond or actually don't respond to you in quite some time. Now here, what is your primary role when using ProfilePicture.ai? I always go with user regardless of which software I'm reviewing. Then click next. Then here they're asking for which purpose do you use ProfilePicture.ai. All you have to do is click the drop down here and you see the option that comes up. So here they just have one option, so just select it, which is the other design. Then what problems is ProfilePicture.ai solving and how is it benefiting you? So I know what it's benefiting other people is that they don't have to take a lot of pictures in different outfits or have to visit a lot of places to actually review. So that's what I'm going to write right here. Then the next one is ProfilePicture.ai headed in the right direction? I would say yes. Okay, normally I usually say yes just to have my review approved, but I don't know, you can try out to write I don't know or maybe say no, but personally I always say yes regardless of which software I'm using. But in some instances, I think I remember at one time I did say no for a certain software because I really wanted to actually help them out. So sometimes if you find they are not headed in the right direction, make sure you always give a honest feedback. Now they are not paying you for favorable feedback but for honest feedback. Now ease of use, I think I would give them a 6. Okay, it's not that easy to use it. Then meet requirements, I think I would give them another 6 just to be fair. Honestly, I would give them a 5. Then the quality of support, I think I would give them a 4. I've seen a lot of people complaining about support. How confident are you in the security features of Profile Picture? Okay, I think the confidency, I would say okay, no, a 6. I would give them a 6. When purchasing software for your business, how important is security to you? Security is very important, so I'll go with a 7 here. It's very important. This is a general question, not about the product itself. Then I'll click continue. Then the other thing that you have to do now, if you want your reviews to always be approved on G2, always upload a screenshot of the product. Now what you'd want to do, that's why I was mentioning, like here when you do a search for the product, you want to sign up and log in. Once you are logged in, you want to take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot with a lot of software. You can use OBS or any software out there. Personally, I use Screen Recorder to actually capture screenshots. So here, what was the organization size when working with ProfilePicture.ai? So here the organization size, you can just say myself, that's alright. You can even say if you're using it at a company, you can use that, but myself works just well. Are you a current user of ProfilePicture.ai? I always say yes. Now the reason you want to say yes is so that they ask you to upload a screenshot. So I'm going to upload a screenshot which I already took of Profile Picture. I'm going to browse the files here and I'm going to open the screenshot that I actually took and submit file. Okay, now since I'm also sharing this with you, and for those of you that want to also make that $50 reviewing these softwares or these websites, what you're going to do when you come to ProfilePicture.ai, you are going to log in with Google. For this one, for the website, you can log in with Google. Only G2 is where I encourage you to actually use LinkedIn. Now when you log in with Google, what you see is that it will give you the login place. However, you can't use the premium features. So what you're going to do is scroll down to the bottom right here, scroll down and you see here where it says free PFP maker. That's Profile Picture Maker, and when you click on that one, you'll be given an option to actually create a simple design. So here you can actually upload. There'll be an upload option right here. You can upload an image, and that's how I found out that you actually, in order to position your image, you use these sliders. That's what I was saying when I was actually reviewing this software. So you can see here, if I was to slide this, you can see that's how you change the positions. Now I don't like this at all because some softwares that are current, you just have to drag an image and you can position it like that. So this, using these sliders, I didn't like that. So when you do that, when you upload that, now you have to make sure that they're able to see the logo and also the dashboard. So now make sure that everything is visible here, and you are going to take a screenshot. Also make sure the website address is visible, and you just take a screenshot, and that's the screenshot you're going to upload when reviewing the product. Now once the image is submitted, you're going to scroll down. Now here they're asking, did the organization switch to Profile Picture AI from another vendor? I'm going to say no. Now here they're saying easy of setup, I'll give it a 5. I'm neutral. Then what is your level of experience with ProfilePicture.ai? Now what I found out is that if you say trial or evaluation only, your review won't be approved. Then here when you say still implementing, again mostly it may be sometimes doesn't get approved. So normally what I encourage you to go with is either less than a year or 1 to 3 years. Now, when you're choosing 1 to 3 years, find out that the website has actually been in existence for more than that. So normally I'll just go with less than a year or 1 to 3 years. Okay, unless I actually have used that software for more than 3 years, that's when I can go with that. So I'm just going to go with less than a year, and don't want to go with trial. It won't get approved if you go with that one. Then how frequently do you use profile picture .ai? I just say maybe at least once a month. Then here, do you integrate profile picture AI with any other software? Here I'll just say no. Are you willing to be referenced for this software, product or service? I always go with agree. Then please let us know which country to send the money to. So just choose your country. Now what you have to note is that the country you choose here will determine how G2 will pay you for your review. So make sure you enter your original country so that you actually get paid. Now G2 will pay you either via gift cards or via PayPal. Now personally, I always get paid via Amazon gift cards, and I exchange those gift cards to cash using a different website known as AirTM. You can check a video on my channel that shows you how to do that. So I'm just going to choose my country here. Then next, they're going to ask you, at which organization did you recently use profile picture.ai? You can say other. Now what was the URL of the organization where you most recently used the website? Now here I don't have any website that I use this. What is the industry? Now I always choose marketing for myself, marketing and advertising, because that's my industry. Then are you affiliated with the product or you are reviewing? I always go with no. Allow my review to show my name and face in the G2 community. I agree. Then just click next. Then finally, all you have to do is click submit my review. So I'm just going to do that, and when you're submitting the review, and you can see here, Jones, thanks for a review of profile picture.ai. Once your review is approved, it will be publicly viewable on G2. So once the G2 review team checks my review and sees that it is authentic, and I can assure you it will be seen as authentic, they will actually pay me this $15 Amazon gift card, and you can see it's actually showing. So you can actually also go right ahead and review profile picture.ai to get this $15. Then the other software you're going to review is SAP, which is SAP Commerce Cloud. Now I'm going to give you this link also, and you can see here when you click that link, it will bring you here where they're saying share your insights on SAP Commerce Cloud, and you can see you get a $25 Amazon gift card. And the other one you are going to review is any of the marketing softwares. By clicking that link, which will bring you to this page where you can review this software. Now I usually get a lot of these invites to review different softwares, and I can't always be creating videos on YouTube about G2. So if you want to be getting some of the links that I get to write reviews about these softwares, you can actually sign up to my email by just clicking the link on my channel here. You see it, or you can just type mbusojones.com/sign up, and you can sign up to my newsletter to be getting these links and a lot of different money making opportunities. Thank you very much, and wishing you all the best. So go right ahead and make that $50 or that $25 plus the $10 plus the $15